Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back again to another live stream. So today we're just gonna be going over some Asia session pairs and see if we can get something out this market tonight. Let's remove that. Price is at 38.2. Very interesting point right now. Very interesting. Sheesh, man. Sheesh. This shit is so bright. There we go, that's better. Of course. Anyway. Okay. Well. Would you look at that? Hello, Omar. How you doing, bro? Will you look at that? 50 pips in profit. At some point, 58. Either way, it was a good trade. I'm very well, thank you very much, bro. Thanks for asking. I'm good. Good, man. Just chilling. Chilling in the village. Vibing. Know what I'm saying? Vibing. We out here vibing. Wow, look at the accuracy, dude. Holy. Look at the accuracy. Ridiculous. Ridiculous accuracy. Mm. Made any profits yesterday? Always, always making profits. Always making profits. Every day. No, I'm joking with you. But yesterday, what trades did I take yesterday? Let me see. Oh shit. By the way, the challenge that I was doing. Oh my god, I forgot I even had an open position. What's up? Hey bro, how you doing, man? I'm good, very well, thank you. Dude, yesterday the account was at FR Friday. What do you mean FR? No. So there was the $20 challenge that I was doing. I had a buy on GJ, and I completely forgot about it. $13 in commissions. Are you shitting me? Like literally. You didn't set a TP? I didn't even set a stop loss. Consolidation destroyed me. Dude, I was in a buy, 2 positions on GJ, never set a TP or a stop loss. Ugh. but but and you did lose, you made profit. I lost. I lost. But at least that was the challenge. This is the main. Is it blurry for you guys? Yeah, very blurry. I don't know why I can never like show the. Just blues, bro, blues. The thing is, like, I'm not complaining about the main, but I completely forgot about this challenge. Maybe if I put the brightest down. Anyway, main account is good. We're up a decent amount. However, the challenge is in critical condition, and the account on that is in ICU. It's in recovery. So which level are you at? Bro, I am below any level you can think of. There is literally like $5 in the account. There is literally like $5 from what I had it yesterday at 50, 60, 60. We tripled the account. So yesterday we were at $60. I entered 2 position. I entered 2 position buys of DJ. Completely forgot about them. Didn't set TP or stop loss. And I just checked and I have $5 in the account. Short on, and I am waiting for 1680. Short on gold. Okay, well, we can go through gold just now. It's always the shit I don't care about, like the challenge. It's just it's so. How do you click on buy or sell without setting a TP, bro? I don't care. I never set a TP on this account, or stop loss, as a matter of fact, because I lose because I go in with smaller risk, right? So not as much, and I just like I just let it happen, and sometimes it may wick down, it may wick up, so that it doesn't stop me out or take me out. and then going my way. I just don't set a stop loss. But that's I only do that on the challenge. Are you still making money on FTMO? Always. Um, I'm not. I never do that on my main. I never do that on my main. I only do that on the challenge because like I honestly like couldn't care. You know what I'm saying? That's why I just like I go in the buys and then I move on, and then I check on it later. Anyway, so what do we have here? So ADSD is at a major demand area, right? Major demand area here. Oh, damn, this would be a nice vibe, but with $100, you know, I don't know. I don't know. I've currently an open position. May I tell you my setup and tell me what you think? Yeah, you can send the link, or yeah. I left FDMO long ago, by the way. I'm not with them now. But I did take a 10K account, right? There's videos on my channel about that, and me passing the challenge and doing all the good stuff. It's all there on the YouTube. I think it was like a few months ago, maybe no more than that. No, I think it was a few months ago. I don't know, dude. I can't even remember what I had lunch yesterday, let alone fucking months ago. Um, why? What do you mean why? Because I used the profits to put in my own account, and now I don't have to do anything they want me to do. You know what I'm saying? I trade my own capital now, so why would I stay with FDMO when I could use the profit, the payout, and then just fund my own account and then trade my own capital with no rules? No, there is no problems with the firm. Yeah, there's no problems with the firm. At least my experience was smooth. The only thing they fucked me with is the first time I ever took the challenge. I was trading and I was in a position on GJ, and there was news, but I didn't know that you're not allowed to trade the news. And when the news hit, I made actually more profits. So I closed. I checked my matrix, and they failed me. So I called them. I was like, "Bro, I'm up like a good amount of percentage on the account." They're like, "Yeah, but you." I was talking to support, and they're like, "Yeah, you're not allowed to trade the news." Or, and I was like, I guess it's my fault for not reading before, because I didn't read. I just bought the challenge, started trading. I didn't really read what's allowed and what's not allowed. That was a like first time mistake. Never again. And then the next time I bought it, I made sure I don't have anything open during the news. So terrible, dude. Imagine being up and so close to passing, and then you just fail because news came out, and you didn't even. That's why you see these things on the bottom of my screen, the flags. These are the news events, right? I never used to have them on my charts, but since that happened, I always keep them on my chart just to remind me, just so I can see and remind me, oh shit, there's actually news. Unemployment rate. See, I know that this coming Friday is an unemployment rate, right? No, wait, what? Yeah, no, 15th of September today. What? Yeah, so today for Canada, oh sorry, AUD, there is unemployment rate. So there's major news. So now I just keep them on my screen to remind me that hey, there's news. Be aware. So yeah, this could either only high impact news are banned on FTMO. I'm not sure, to be honest. I have no idea. But I think news and news. So I'm guessing all type of news. I'm not sure. You're gonna have to ask them. When we spoke, we just talked strictly about news. I didn't ask if it was major news or high impact news. I just said news. But yeah, check with them, call them, give them a call, see what, talk to support, see what they can say. If there's news, most probably gonna be a sell, man. I'm expecting Euro USD at 66,000. You've heard me say it multiple times in every stream I say it. I do expect AUD/USD down to this level. Can you check my setup? Yes, what setup are you? Did you send the link? Did you send your charts? You didn't. I told you to send me your charts, bro. Send me your charts. Send me. So you go trading view and then you go copy link, right? You go copy link. I sent it. Where? Can't you see it? No. No, I can't see it. And it's in. Oh, it's in the chat. No, I can't see it because it's a link. So what you do is remove one letter or remove something from the and then send it again, because I think YouTube bans the links for some reason. So like send the link but incomplete, and then send me the completion after. So basically like send it in 2 halves or something. I don't know. But yeah, I don't see your charts here. It's not here. Yeah, try send it in like 2 halves. 1 half and then another half. And then I'll definitely, can you see it now? No, nothing. Chat, can you guys see it, or is it just me? Do you guys see links in the chat, or is it just me that can't see it? I don't know how I can like allow you. Bro, check out gold. I think it's a good time to short. It's never a good time to trade gold now. It's not in session. Gold moves in London, New York. Why are you trading into an Asia session? Makes no sense. Don't trade it. No, bro. Okay. My bad. I'm wrong, I guess. You're right. But we'll check gold for you. Alright. Here we are. Here's gold. Daily time frame, right? Daily time frame. Here's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing point A, point B, point C. And now I'm looking here. I'm looking price to come back to this here. So now we here. Forget about the link. Nope, no links. Yeah, so it's not just me. It's actually YouTube that stops the link. I'm talking about link. EU. No links. Okay, cool. Yeah, so it's not just me. Anyway, so this is gold. Let's quickly go over gold, right? Gold, very bearish. However, we are now at this major demand area, right? This major demand area. We do have a daily support here, right? Major daily support here as well, right? So we are basically at this major daily support right here. See that? Huge daily support. This blue line. 4-hour time frame. You can see it respected once, twice, and now 3 times. However, support gets broken after a while, right? And since we have a Fibonacci to complete, right? Since we have a Fibonacci to complete, I'm expecting price to come down to the 1634.650 area, right? Like 1640 area. Yeah, so that's, you keep this in mind, and then you keep this in mind as well. So I'm expecting shorts, but we are at a support. So what I'll do is I'll wait for something like this. I'll wait for something like this. I'll wait for a wick to this level. So I'll put an alert up here, right? You can see how this wick perfectly tapped into this area of demand. See my arrow, and then boom, closed above support. Means support is still holding. So now if I'm looking to short, I want to sell high. So I'd wait for a retracement up to here, right? Somewhere around there. Or even like if market stops here, because we have this structure, right? So you could even argue something like this, somewhere around this area, and then short. But personally, I prefer an entry up here, because then I can for sure can get a sniper entry, like, and then I'll take it down to this support weekly, and then we'll see where we go from there. So that's what I have for gold. 4-hour Fibonacci, same thing, A, B, C. I'm looking down to here. So yeah, all looking short. Okay, Alice, you are in, oh sorry, Omar, EU entry. Euro USD, that's EU, right? And then you have an entry for let's look at the daily first. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at here. Interesting. Okay. Yep. AU eventually gonna get down to 0.98,000, right? To complete this fib. Looking here. Price respected this resistance. One candle above, the next candle closed below. Before that's the new resistance. And now we're sitting at a weekly support, which is huge. Looking at 4-hour. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. There's the 4-hour fib. Point A, B, boom, boom. Cool. Alright, so you had an entry for you in a short. Check my setup. Long. Oh, long. Damn. In a long. Okay, let's see. What was your entry? 0.99. 0.99782. So that's your entry. Then you had a TP of 100,682 and a stop loss 0.99672. Oof. I'm gonna be honest, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know. I personally wouldn't take a long, especially after a 4-hour bearish engulfing. Like literally, see this big bearish engulfing candle? That's a huge bearish engulfing candle. That's all I'm gonna say. Right? So you have that. You also have, see this here? Won't feel the imbalance before pushing down. I mean, so here's how I think about it, right? It's like, okay, if it wanted to push the close the imbalance, wouldn't it have done it like already? Do you know what I'm saying? But like, I mean, I guess you do have a fair point, but like, how do you know that it's gonna fill it up now when everything is indicating short? You know what I'm saying? So like, bearish momentum, bearish engulfing. Everything is bearish, so I would short, right? So right, keep this picture in mind, right? Would you rather have this? Check M15. I don't care about M15. I don't. You see, that's what I'm saying. M15 doesn't matter because you have a 4 hour. Which one is stronger? Which one is stronger? 4 hour or M15? Which one is stronger? 4 hour. Now, which one, in your opinion, looks 4 hour for sure? Exactly. So, right, you could have something like this, right? Something like this, or something like this, right? Which one, in your opinion, looks more with the trend, with market structure, with the candles and everything, with Fibonacci's, daily, 4 hour Fibonacci's, all indicating shorts? And if you're a thing trader, look, yeah, short one is good these days. Look, everything is trading below moving averages, right? 200, 50, 20, daily also below. 1 hour also below, right? 1 hour also below. And you said look at 15, break of structure. Where is the break of structure? All I see is consolidation, right? So this is your setup. I'm gonna keep these here and we're gonna come back to them like tomorrow for the stream and see which one played out. Okay, personally I would be patient and I wouldn't be in Euro USD right now because it's the sell makes more sense. Exactly, bro. It's aligning with everything. How we just say the sell has a higher probability of working out compared to the buy because I have daily market structure in my favor. I have 4 hour market structure in my favor. I have daily 4 hour Fibonacci in my favor, right? I am with the trend. I am with the momentum. The dollar is very strong. Therefore, it makes the euro weak against the dollar. If the dollar is pushing up, the euro will go down against it because it's against each other. And when you tell me, I asked you, why did you take this buy? You said, look at 15-minute time frame bullish break of structure. That is everything you have, right? That is everything you have. So this is why you guys need to understand high probability setups compared to low probability setup may not work out, and move away from the luck stage where you get lucky one day but then you lose the next day and then you get lucky again. Because let's be honest, like every trade there's a 50% chance that it works out in your favor even if you do nothing, right? You close your eyes, you click buy or sell, there's a 50% chance that it plays out in your favor, right? So when I have all the daily market structure, trend lines, everything aligns with that, now you have an 80% chance of the trade working out in your favor. Confluence trading, thank you. Confluence trading, exactly. So what you have is one confluence, 15-minute break of structure, but who cares? Nobody. 15, it looked very choppy. You see how choppy it looked on the 15-minute time frame? Like it was literally like, look at this. Like I don't see this is a break of structure. How could you ignore this? So much selling in the market. How could you ignore this and say this is a break of structure? It's not. Right? It's not. This is literally dead market consolidation. I would rather be stuck in a sell here than on a buy, but I wouldn't be in a trade now at all. I would wake up pre-London, right? 6, 7 a.m. London time, before the market open, I would analyze and wait for a setup to come and wait for the volume to come, enter a position, take a 20-30 pips, move on with my day. So we're gonna keep these here. We'll come back to these but anyway, that is only purely my opinion. You are obviously free to do what you want. Stay in, stay out. It's up to you. So don't let me also change your mind. If you have your own analysis, you have your own confluences that I don't know of, don't make me influence your decision. All right. Anyway, right now let's focus on pairs that moves during Asia, so we can try and catch a scalp here. Okay, we're trying to catch a scalp for you guys before I go to bed. I want to try and catch a quick trade for you guys before I go to bed. So let's look at something that moves in Asia session, right? We have GJ, obviously. We are coming at this support area, right? We have structure here, rejection, 4-hour support, right? You have this whole area right here. Look at that. Boom, resistance, support, or a break. I have to wait and see. Therefore, I'm not gonna chase. However, I am on a 38.2 on 4-hour time frame. So that could be our next market structure point to then push to the upside. So that's confluence trading. See, I'm building a case, and you see the reason why I want to take a long as well is, look, when you put AMAs on, we are above all the AMAs. I don't care about 15-minute time frame. This is terrible, and that's why 90% of your trades are losers, because you focus on this and you forget about this. See. You look at 15, oh my god, it's so bearish, I'm gonna sell. You look at 4-hour, holy shit, it's so bullish, I'm gonna buy. So you see, so what you do is you look at 4-hour for the trade. So like, okay, 4-hour long, I'm only gonna be looking to long. Then what you do is you go back on 15, and then you look at something like this. Then you look for a break of structure, right? So like, for example, let's say price does this. I'll show you something. I get my bias from 4-hour, and then my entry after something like this. Watch. Okay, let's say 15-minute is still looking like this, bearish, right? I will not touch the buy yet. Let it happen, let it play out. Boom, and then boom. Once all of a sudden you see a nice huge push to the upside, wait for a retracement, boom. By that time, right, where do you think this moving average is going to be? I'll tell you. This will be here, and this will be here, and this will be here. See what I'm saying? See how now I have confluence. I have 4-hour, cool, we buy. But then I wait for a break of structure on smaller time frame to then enter a buy. And then when you entered from, the break, okay, sorry, my bad. You enter here, you put your stops below the stuff here, boom. And you catch this whole trade based on 4-hour time frame. See how simple that is, guys? But obviously, it's simple in hindsight, but to actually do that while real life trading, it's going to take a lot of practice. It's going to take a lot of patience. You have to wait for the setups. Just relax. Do other stuff, Like, I honestly, right now, I look at the market maybe 10% in my day. Right? I used to, back when I first started trading, I would look at the market 90% of my day. always on my charts. Phone, laptops, iPad, everywhere I go, everything I think of is market charts. Now, it's the last thing I could think of, and that is why what happened with the $20. Completely forgot about the trade, and now I lost the basically didn't lose it, but like technically I lost the challenge. But it is what it is. Like I couldn't care, but I'm up a huge amount on my main account. And the reason I do that is because I put alert. Let's say, okay, I want to enter a buy from down here. Boom, set an alert, and then I close completely. I close everything. I go do something else. I go game. I go stream on my other channel. I just do other shit for fun. And then once my alert gets triggered, I'm like, oh shit, look where price is at. Okay, I'm gonna enter my buy now because I've already done my study, my homework. The rest is patience. Yeah. So there's that. I hope that those setups take a long time to form, and as a 2020, you need the setups every single day. Why? Why do you need a setup every single day? Why suddenly do you need a setup every single day? I mean, are you gonna die if you don't take a trade today? No. How long did you know about the Forex? Before you knew about Forex, what did you do before? Before you got introduced, before you had any idea about this market exists, what did you do before? You weren't taking trades. You lived your whole life without taking trades. Why now suddenly you have to take a trade every day and everything? Like, I don't understand. Like, this is not life and death. You don't have to do nothing. Like, like my main, I only trade like a few times a month. Like literally a few times a month. That's all I do. Set up a few trades, a few good trades. The ones, I wait for the ones that really, really give me all the confluences together. Bang. Nice trade. And like, that's it. You don't need anything. Whether it's a challenge, main, it doesn't matter. All, just relax. Live your life. If the market, be picky. Imagine you're going shopping, right? Imagine yourself, you're gonna go shopping, right? You want to buy apples. You want to take home some apples, and you go to the shop and there's a huge pile of apples, right? Do you just blind pick, or do you actually check the good one from the bad one? I personally go to the shop, check the good one, hard one, not soft, squishy, nothing weird. I check the good ones and I take them home. Same thing with the market. Come to the market. I will be very picky with the market. Don't be greedy. Just be picky. Say to the market, okay, if you don't give me what I want, the setups I like with the confluences I want, I'm not going to take a trade. Simple. And you're not going to die. It's fine. You don't have to. You guys are addicted to be in a trade. The adrenaline rush when you're in a trade. Am I in profit? Am I in drawdown? Am I in profit? You guys like drug addicts at this point. Like, it's fine. Control yourself. Tell your mind, I am in control. Not your emotions. Control your mind. Control your action. Tell yourself, I am in control. I am capable of controlling my emotions. No setup, no trade. Simple. Walk away. Do something else for fun. I don't understand. You lived your whole life without taking trades. Now you know the market exists, and now you want to take a trade every single day. Relax. No, it's fine. And you guys need to remember, like, the more you're in the market, the more you're risking. Every time you press buy or sell, that is you risking money. So just be picky. Same thing with the apples. Always remember the apples, honestly. Like, I swear, this is such a good analogy that I use. Always think about the apples, and like, you're gonna be very picky. You're gonna get the best apple to eat it, right? The sweet one, the hard one, the one that really, Same thing with the trades. Wait for that perfect setup, that one that it just makes sense. You'll feel it. It will come to you. You'll be like, damn, this is like Fibonacci, trend line, support, resistance, supply, and everything is telling me, come on, get in. And then that's when you get in. And also, don't be scared. Like, when you have 4 or 5 confluences and everything is in front of you and telling you to buy, and then you just like, I don't know, should I wait for one more? Like, no, don't do that. Like, don't overdo it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have a problem. I have a problem, for example, on GJ. You say you wait for long, and it makes sense, but at the same time, my eyes see head and shoulder forming, so I get hesitant about taking long position on 4 hour. I'm so glad you brought this up, because this is also very important, right? This is also very important. Okay, head and shoulders. What time frame are you looking at? Even the 4-hour daily EMA are bullish. What time frame are you looking at on the head and shoulders? Where do you see the head and shoulders? I don't see head and shoulders. Where is the head and shoulders? Is this what you're thinking? Is this what you're thinking? Is this what you're thinking? Yes. Okay. Okay. So here's what I wanted to say. First of all, I don't trade patterns, right? I like, no offense to those who does, but like personally, I think it's stupid. It's ridiculous. Like, don't take it personally, but like, I don't think they're effective. Um, if you are seeing success with them, I mean, fair play. Personally, my own opinion. Don't at me. I think they're just ridiculous. They're stupid, head and shoulders, and there's a coffee mug and back and shoulders and biceps and triceps. It's all it's all rubbish. You don't need any of that to trade, right? Um, that's one. Two, look how you making imaginary stories in your head. Oh my god, is this gonna be a head and shoulders? Maybe I should buy. Maybe, like, has it happened yet? No. So why are you anticipating? Like, why are you assuming there's gonna be a head and shoulders if it hasn't happened yet? That's one thing, right? Like right here, all you're thinking about right now is your head and shoulders. But like, it didn't happen. Why can't the market just do this? Why can't the market do that? Right? What about that? Why can't the market do this? Right? Why not? Why not? Why can't the market do that? Right? The market could do anything. So you can't just sit here and be like, oh my god, head and shoulders is gonna happen. Like, no. Until it happens, until the market actually does this, right? And then a break of structure, retracement, cool. Until the market does this, and you can clearly see the head and shoulders, not assuming, no, it's right there in front of you, and you see confirmations and everything, then sure, you can go ahead and enter. But it hasn't happened, so why are you thinking about it? It's like me getting in my car and all I can think about is I'm getting in I'm gonna get into an accident. I'm gonna get into an accident. But yeah, there's a chance. But like, I'm not gonna drive myself crazy thinking about it. You know what I'm saying? So like, relax. Take everything as it comes, step by step. See that? See here? Look, I have an alert here. I have an alert. I always have alerts. I don't look at the market too much. I just keep alert, and then from there I decide what I want to do. Once I get alert, look, another alert here. I'm gonna actually move it to here and see what happens. I'm gonna add another one here. Ooh, AUDUSD. I'm I'm gonna get in a short actually. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shit. I'm a little bit late, man. I'm a little bit late. I don't want to chase this, but this looks good, man. Honestly, this. You know what? I'm entering. Fuck it. AUDUSD. I don't. I'm not doing it on my main, but I'm just doing this on this challenge. Since I have $5 in it, I'm just gonna put that risk $5 on that chart. Full margin, boys. Full margin, and it's only $5. Full margin. See that? Full margin, boys, on a $5 account. Oh, that's hilarious. All right. Now, see, I don't even set TP or anything. I just leave it. I forget about it. GG's. We in the blues, boys. We in the blues. Oh man, that's funny. This is why I highly recommend having more than one account. And the reason for that is like stupid trades like this, not like it's not necessarily like a stupid trade, but come on, it is what it is. Like it's a trade. Confidence do you have for AU? I'll show you. I'll show you now. This is okay. Let me just finish what I was gonna say. This is why it's so important to have more than one account. One, very strict, your main, no fuckery, no nothing. Only the best the best apples. Remember the apples. The best apple, the best setups, your main. Then you can have a small account where you can fuck around. Remember the adrenaline, remember the addictive side of yourself. You can still kind of have that, but play around with small money that you can lose and fuck around with, and that's what I do. That's why I started this whole thing challenge, right? So right now, $5 on the line. Couldn't care less about it, but it's a setup. I'll take it. Why not? If it makes me money, it makes me money. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It is what it is, and that's why you should have that. So confluences for AUDSD. Let's see here. Number one, daily time frame. We down, very bearish, right? Boom, very bearish. Sweet. 4-hour time frame. Look what happened here. You see this supply area? See this supply area? Price made a resistance, created a supply area here. Then price, the next 4-hour candle, came all the way up and broke the high. This is like a fake out type of thing. This is like a good setup that I like to take sometimes. Supply, yes. So what happened is usually they bring the wick above the previous wick to stop people. If you were stuck in shorts and you move your stops above the wick, guess what would happen? You would have gotten stopped out now. And then for them to sell the market, they need money. They need buyers, right? So they have to take people's stop losses to short, right? So boom, your stop loss is here. They take your stop loss, and then what happens? Boom, huge sell. So this is when I enter as well. Once I see this type of fake out fuckery in a supply area at a 4-hour resistance, I have daily down market structure, right? Daily we bearish, 4-hour resistance and supply, 3 confluences. For the fourth confluence is the wick, took out the stop loss hunt type of fake out type of thing. And then if you can look at this, like it happens so often, right? Look here, wick, boom, wick to the upside, takes all the previous wick. Then what happens? Massive drop. What's going to happen here? Hopefully same thing, wick, boom, wick above, take everyone out, then drop to the downside, at least to the blue line. So I'll have like TP this blue line here, and then TP2 is there, but final TP is 66,000. But obviously, because I don't care about this, I'll just leave it, and hopefully it hits run like final TP. Once price is down here, I'll then move stops to break even. 1 hour, obviously, price respected this resistance, right? Boom. Look at that. We are also below moving average. So I just called out like more than 6 confluences for this trade, and it's a trade that like it's a whatever trade in my opinion. Like it's not something I would like, you know, like I've been waiting on for my main. Whatever. It's something I'll take on my fun account. But yeah, dude. So this is what I have. I don't even like, you see these 15 5 minute. I don't even look at them like ever. Honestly, I don't ever look at them. I don't need to. Why do you? Why do you need to look at smaller time frame? I don't understand. Just me looking at this and putting like wick, and I can see that wick. I can put a safe stop loss there. If it breaks that, I know for a fact I'm wrong. But if you're looking, if you're so deep, like if you're so like focused on here, you think this is the major high, and then it gets stopped out. Then you think this is the major high, then you get stopped out again. That it's just you don't know where that major high, that strong resistance or support is. That's why I don't even look at the look. Yeah, fake out, boom, close below, boom. I wish I saw this. I think this was happening like just now when we were busy talking about, when we were looking at GJ. So I wish I was watching this, because we would have caught this from probably down up here, maybe down here from this line. So we would have been very nice and proper. Anyway, I don't like to look at smaller time frame. Too much noise. I like the clean. You see how much clean this is? Very clean. Very clean. So that's how my setup is. Anyway, well, this is the trade for you guys. I hope you guys found value in today's live stream. If you did, please go down below, leave a like, subscribe if you unsubscribed already, and I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired. It's literally like 1 a.m. my time. And yeah, let me know if you need anything. Join the free Telegram. If you want to work with me on one-on-one, there's obviously a lot of other stuff that I do, you know, off the live stream with the Discord members. The link is down below, or message me on Telegram. We can get you in. Amazing community we have. With that being said, take it easy, guys. Peace.